Hello friends, this is Ian, and today I'll show you how I make my plant support. I've tried different methods and material for making the moss bowl. You can use the sphagnum mosses or cocoa coils. However, I feel like this is the most aesthetic look and also very easy to make. The sticks provides extra support for any climbing plants, especially aroids like philodendron and monstera species. They encourage mature foliage and it will send the support and naturally produce larger leaves. You will need to have a bamboo stick, wood pallet or a recycled plastic pipe, scissors or hand pruning shear, jute rope, and some strings or toy to tie. Okay, let's get started. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this is helpful in giving you some ideas on how to make your own one. And happy holiday, guys!